Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about the transpose of a matrix. That is the another operation. Now, what do you mean by transpose of a matrix? Transpose of a matrix means what? Simply, when you consider a matrix, যদি তুমি এটা matrix consider কৰা, এই matrix টোৰ যদি তোমাৰ row আৰু column বিলাকৰ মাজত interchange কৰো, that means if you interchange between what rows and what columns, then this matrix is known as what? Transpose of a matrix. Simply, here, if we consider A be a matrix, the transpose of a matrix A is a matrix obtained by what? Interchanging rows and columns. Interchanging what? Rows and columns. These things are so important. Which is denoted by the symbol either A dash or AT. That means this symbol we use to represent what? Transpose of a matrix. Simply, according to definition, when you consider A be a matrix whose elements are what? Aij. Order is what? M by n. Now A transpose means what? You have this element Aji, whose order is what? N by n. কি হৈ গৈছে তোমাৰ ai যে আছে এলিমেন্ট বিলাক কি হৈ গৈছে তোমাৰ aji. Here order is what? M by n. This one is what? N by n. When you consider an example like that, A is a matrix, elements are 1 3 2 4. What is the order? 2 by 2. Now you have to find A transpose. Element বিলাক কেনেকুৱা হ'ব চোৱা Aij equal to Aji. That means what? Diagonal element sin থাকিব y. কি কাৰণ থাকিব sin? কাৰণ Aij আৰু Aji যদি তোমাৰ same হয়, same হ'ব যে 1 1 হলে আৰু 1 1 2 2 2 2. That means diagonal element must be same. Next, transpose দিয়া হবে তোমাৰ 1 2 যদি লোৱা 1 2 position A1 2. That is the element of A1 2. ক'ত গুচি গ'ল তোমাৰ Aji means what? A2 1 হৈ যাব. That means A3 element position as A1 2. When you transpose of this matrix, transpose korile he code gusi jabo 2 1. Tamane 2 1 er position etu yada ahi jabo 3 element. Clear this part? Again, what is the position of this element? 2 element or position ki hoyse tomar definitely. What is the position of this element? A2 1. By using this definition, equal to A1 2. That means this element is equal to 2. And order also interchange. Interchange holo tomar same thakibo. Why? This matrix is a what? Square matrix. Clear? Again, if we consider another example like that, A equal to, we consider 3 2 1 4 2 5. Now you have to find what is the order of this matrix? 2 by 3. A transpose means what? Transpose of this matrix. Matrix is what? 3 2 1 4 2 5. Okay, जब a particular matrix से तुम्हारा की हो जाएगा, so यार इसलिए हम transpose symbol को दे दिलो. Order is what? 2 by 3. Simply only এটা part তুমি মনত ৰাখিবা, কাৰণ আমি ইন্টারচেঞ্জ কৰিছো rows and columns. তাৰমানে row বিলাক column যাব, তাৰমানে column টো ক'ত আহিছে তোমাৰ row. That means that is the first column. ক'ত গুচি গ'ল তোমাৰ first row. Second one, that is the what? Second column. ক'ত গুচি যাব তোমাৰ second row. That is the what? Third column. ক'ত গুচি গ'ল তোমাৰ third. Clear this one? What is the order? Order is what? Definitely what? 3 by 2. Order also change. The transpose part sara kaya transpose symbol to need bar. No need to give this transpose. So already monkey korilu. Interchange between what? Rows and columns. That is the A transpose. Clear? Now here we consider some properties. These properties are so important in transpose of a matrix. First one is what? A transpose whole transpose. Eta matrix or jodi tomar 2 times transpose kora, A transpose kori ako jodi transpose kora, then you have the original matrix A. Second one is what? K is a scalar quantity like 2, 3, minus 1, minus 3 like that. K A whole transpose equal to K. K is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity will put transpose na thake. Into what? The matrix A transpose. You have this one. This is the second property. Clear? And third one is what? A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus what? B transpose. Okay. If you have this sign is what? Negative, then this one also what? Negative sign. Because A minus B whole transpose equal to you have what? A transpose minus what? B transpose. Okay. Again, when you multiply A into B whole transpose, if multiplication is possible, that means this one is defined. Then you have what? B transpose into what? A transpose. Yeah, B to agar rahibo, A to pichon gusi. Similarly, when you consider three matrix A, B and C, A, B, C whole transpose equal to what? C transpose into what? B transpose into what? A transpose. A, B, C, D just again 4 matrices are there. Then you have D transpose, C transpose, B transpose, A transpose like that. These properties are so important. Okay. Now I am going to discuss the transpose of a matrix with an example. Okay. Here A and B are two matrices. Now you have to verify A B whole transpose equal to B transpose into what? A transpose. Is it true or not? Okay. Initially, if you multiply A into B, where A and B are two matrices, the elements of the matrix A are what? 2, 4, 0, and this one is what? 3, 1, 2. Whose order is what? 2 by 3. Again, the matrix B, whose elements are what? 1, 0, 2, 1, 1 and what? 3. Order is what? 3 by 2. The multiplication is always possible. Why? The number of column in the first matrix is equal to number of row in the second matrix. Now, when you multiply these two matrices, you have another matrix. You have another matrix whose order is what? 2 by what? 2 by 2. Clear this one? First row multiply with what? First row. First element A1, 1. How many elements are there? There are 4 elements, 2 row and 2 columns. First element is what? First row multiply with what? First row. The multiply can I go in corresponding element. First 2 into 1 hobo. You want to know 2 into 1? 2 plus 4 into 2 is equal to what? 8. 0 into 1 definitely 0. That is the first element. Clear this part? Again, when you multiply first row with what? Second column. 2 into 0. 0 plus 4 into 1. 4. And 0 into 3 definitely 0. That is the A12. A12 first row, second column. Then when you consider the second row with first column, you have 2, 1, A2, 1 element. Corresponding element multiply with 3 into 1, you have 3. 1 into 2 is equal to what? 2. And 2 into 1 is equal to what? 2. That is the A21 element. Again, when you multiply second row with second column, then you have A22 element. 3 into 0 definitely 0. And 1 into 1 definitely this part equal to 1. And 2 into 3 is equal to what? 6. That is the A22 element. After simplification of this part, you have what is the value of this part? Order is 2 by 2. 2 plus 8, 10. This element is what? 10. And this one is what? 4. Here 4 plus 3 definitely 7. 6 plus 1, this one also what? 7. That is the matrix what? AB. Now you have to find the left hand side of this part is what? AB whole transpose. What is the value of AB? AB equal to what? 10, 4, 7, 7. Find the transpose. Here the transpose will change interchanging between what? Rows and column. First column elements is what? 10, 7. Row that equal 10, 7. And second column elements are what? 4, 7. Second column, second row. 4, 7. What is the order? 2 by 2. That is the value of what? AB whole transpose. Now you have to find the right hand side of this part. Right hand side to move here. You have to find B transpose into what? A transpose. What is the value of B transpose? First আমি কার ভ্যালু লিখব লাগে B transpose, এটো হবো B transpose. Transpose হয়ে গেলে কি হবো? ফার্স্ট রো এলিমেন্ট লাগবে পিছে যাব ফার্স্ট কলাম ডাইরেক্ট মই লিখি দিছি চাবা 1 2 নেক্সট কি আহিব তোমাৰ 1. Second column elements 0 1 2 0 1 not 2. This one is what? 3. That is the value of B transpose. What is the order? 2 by 3. Next you have to find A transpose. A transpose hole you have this matrix. A transpose koile first column kon gusi gol first row, second column second row, third column third row, whose order is what? 3 by 2. Clear this part? That is the value of what? A transpose. Okay, now you have to multiply. Whose order is what? This one is what? 3. This one also what? 3. Therefore multiplication is always possible. After multiplication you have a matrix whose order is what? 2 by 2. Why? The number of row in the first matrix is what? 2, and number of column of the second matrix also what? 2. Therefore after multiplication you have a matrix whose order is what? 2 by 2. Now when you multiply, first row multiply with what? First column. Multiply korle ki mano direct mo kori disu saba 1 into 2 2 ahile plus 2 into 4 8. 2 plus 8, definitely this value is equal to what? 10. Clear this part? Next, first row multiply with what? Second column 1 into 3 3 plus 2 into 1 2 3 plus 2 what? 5. 1 into 2 plus what? 1 into 2 ahile ultimately 2 ahibo. 5 plus 2 ইয়াৰ পৰা কৰিলে 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 what? 7. Definitely this value is equal to what? 7. Clear? Next you have to find the multiply second row with first column. 0 into 2 0 আহিব তোমাৰ 1 into 4 4 what? 3 into 0 0. Ultimately this value is equal to what? 4 when you multiply. Simple multiply কৰিছো. Next second row multiply with what? Second column 0 into 3 definitely 0 1 into 1 1 আহিলে তোমাৰ আৰু 3 into 2 6 6 plus 1 this one is equal to what? 7. Now from this part, that is the left hand side part, value is equal to this matrix, and the right hand side of this part is equal to what? This matrix. Both are what? Equal. Hence the given AB whole transpose is equal to what? B transpose into what? A transpose. With the help of the concept of what? Transpose of a matrix, you can find these two questions. Okay, the first one is what? If A is a matrix, its order is what? 3 by 3. This one also what? 3 by 3. We consider two matrices of order what? 3 by 3. Then verify that AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into what? A transpose. Okay, the same procedure which one already I have done. Okay, the last problem. Okay, same procedure you can find it. Next, the second one is what? A plus B whole transpose. Initially find the value of A plus B. That is adding these two matrices. Addition is possible. Why? It has what? Same order. And again next you have to find the what? A plus B whole transpose. Start transpose kori diba to left hand side pala. Again find the A transpose and this B transpose. Start add kori dia. Is it equal or not? Verify it. The similarly this one also here minus there ase. Okay, no problem. Now the second question is what? Find x y z. That is the unknown variable x y z. If matrix A equal to this one, this is the order of what? 3 by 3. 0 twice y z x y minus z x minus y z. Clear? Now satisfy the equation A transpose into A is equal to I. I means what? Identity matrix. A transpose, here A transpose will be interchanging between what? Rows and columns. And A means what? This matrix multiply koriba beta matrix multiply koriba. Multiply kore definitely tomar 3 by 3 matrix eta paba. Why? This matrix is what? Order is what? 3 by 3. And A transpose also what? 3 by 3. That means when you multiply these two matrices, this one also what? 3 by 3. Clear this one? Therefore, after multiplication of these two matrices, you have another matrix whose order is what? 3 by 3 is equal to I. I means what? Identity matrix. Definitely this one always we consider what? I3. Ki consider koriba tomar I3 boli loba. I3 means what? Here plus ki ahibo tomar I3 means 1 enuka ta matrix ahibo 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, that is the identity matrix. Okay, I3 place of etu likhiba. যদি তোমাৰ এহাত এটা মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰি দিলে এটো তোমাৰ 2 by 2 পালা হেতেন 2 by 2 এটা যদি মেট্ৰিক্স পোৱা হলে তেতিয়ালে মই I2 ইউজ কৰিম যদি 4 by 4 পালা হেতেন তেতিয়ালে কি লিখিতে মই 4 by 4 ডেফিনেটলি আমি কি পালা 3 by 3 therefore this matrix must be what 3 by 3 matrix clear তেতিয়ালে মই কি কৰিবা equating the corresponding element the matrix are all always equal therefore corresponding element must be what equate কৰি দিবা then you can find the unknown value what x y and z x or y or z or value to be uliaba pariba okay I hope you have understood the transpose of a matrix okay thank you